Papa Charlie again in the video. Gonna go on a quick ride right now. Just picked up some food. I ended up picking up this new camera. It's the Insta360. I got my GoPro mounted on my helmet. So that's where you guys are listening me from. Different. I was trying to get into the 360 video recording, and I know GoPro has one, but this one was a little bit more module. It has different adaptations, different options, so I ended up picking it up. It was a great steal. The battery life is not as great, but they do offer an extended battery pack, which I might be picking up soon. Beautiful day today, super hot. It's like 100 degrees outside today. Ideal for riding. And my dumbass forgot my gloves. I hate riding without the proper equipment, but it's alright. We're good. I'll take this slow. Maybe. But yeah, we'll see how the footage goes. I am talking out of you guys from my GoPro. I got an adapter so I can have the microphone inside the helmet. Hopefully the sound quality is a lot better. Last time I uploaded a picture, you couldn't see it. Hey, what's up guys? So apparently this mic setup did not work out at all. I don't know. I'm gonna be playing around with different options because there's way too much wind getting into the helmet, and once I'm up in higher speeds, you can't hear me for shit. But yeah, this is the footage on the 360 camera. I got the 360 view mounted, and as you guys can see, it allows you to do a lot of little edits during the application. You download the application and you can play around with the footage that you get. But it's a pretty neat camera setup. Right here, what I did, I ended up mounting a selfie stick to the handlebar, and that's where you're able to see that kind of view. But honestly, the possibilities are endless. You can play around with this mounted in different positions. I just wanted to see what kind of view I would get. But as you guys see, playing around with the camera, It captures everything. It's definitely pretty fun accessory to have, and get some really nice footage. What I do like it here is that, you know, I'm able to play around, capture what I want to do, and go from there. Yeah, look, there was a little cup right there. I didn't even notice it while I was writing. But yeah, guys, what I was trying to mention earlier that my voice didn't catch is my younger brother. He ended up getting his endorsements for his motorcycle, which was pretty exciting because, you know, obviously I love riding and it's something that we share now. And I was really happy. He ended up picking up his first bike. He went with the Yamaha XSR 700, I believe it was. But that bike is beautiful. Definitely great beginner bike. I remember when I had my first bike, I started with the 600, and I recommended it to him. You know, he's definitely excited. He was in debates whether the 900 or the 700. With this being his first bike, he just passed his course. I would say definitely start with the smaller engine. Once you feel more comfortable riding and going around, you know, make that transition to the higher speed. So if you want to upgrade down the road, you have that option available. But yeah, you know, just gave him some pointers. And like I told him, I'm like, listen, you're gonna stall all the way home when you pick up that bike. It's just, you know, he drives stick, so he's been driving stick for a while, so motorcycle's a lot different. That friction zone is what gets you up and running. So for him, it was like it's new, it's learning. So it happened to me. I'm pretty sure it happened to him. He's out in California. I'm in Boston, so I'm a little jealous that he's gonna get to enjoy the weather year round. My riding season's only 4 months out of the year, but I'm trying to make the best of it right now as much as I can. But yeah, definitely excited. Hopefully, you know, when I do go plan to visit or he comes up here, we'll go on some rides together. But this is the footage, guys, on the 360 1R camera. I kind of love it, you know. My GoPro, I love it. It's definitely something I like using, but just adding something else, getting some different angles is pretty fun. I'm excited for future videos. This was just a quick little ride to pick up some snacks. I went to get some lunch, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more footage, more videos, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and catch you guys on the other video, man. Enjoy.